Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30E, the Water Pump Sealing Flange for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30E, the Water Pump Sealing Flange for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. It's a file new, part MMGS. Okay, let's go right plane, sketch. We're going to do circle, put it there. Do another one there. That may seem familiar. Oop, let me undo that one for a moment. That was a bit small. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this point, and this point will be vertical. These two lines here will be equal. 2 circles, I mean. These 2 circles here will be equal. Okay, so we got where are we? 38. So smart dimension 38. Then we got the raise of 8. So it's gonna be 16. Then the end one will be 6. There we go. And it's gonna be from there to there will be 44. Oop. You know what? I'm going to take that one there. Oh, where did it go that far back? 6 that was, wasn't it? Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to do this one from here to here, 22. And this one to there will be, nope, that's not what I want. Dang it. Try again. Because I still had that selected, so that's going to be 22. There we go. Now, bring that down. Zoom in a bit. There we go. Do some lines from there, 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 and there. Let's just do these 2 lines here. The circle in the line's going to be tangent. This circle, this line will be tangent. I'll try again. Press it. You got to press shift to highlight too. Shift pressing. There we go. Perfect. Let me move you across there. Thank you. So this line in this circle will be tangent. This line in this circle. Let me just make sure. Oh, what happened? Oh. Click too many times. You actually go out of sketch. I actually learned something. Okay, this line, circle line will be tangent. Beautiful. This line, this circle will be tangent. This line, circle line will be tangent. This circle, this line will be tangent. And last but not least, this circle, this line will be tangent. Did it go right spot? It did. Beautiful. Looks like weird snowman. Okay, I know. Let me take you 2 out. Take you 2 out. Have a wonderful time. There we go. Okay, so now we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's done, fully defined. And we've got extrude out of 5. Oh, what happened? Pick sketch, then extrude out. That helps. 5, not doing mid-plane. Doesn't really matter on this one. Okay, so that's good. Now we want to do sketch. Normal 2 sketch. Circle. No circle, thank you. Center. And that's going to be 25. 25. And that's going extrude out by 14. Extrude out by 14. So you get 49, 45. Done. Then we're going to do another circle before we do sketch. Circle. In the middle. And that's going to be 19. Oops, sorry. 19. Nope. 19. Thank you. 19. And that's going to be extrude, cut, through all, and done. And that's that piece done. You put that in the right position. There we go. It's good. Zoom right in. Zoom in a bit more. There we go. Perfect. So that is part 6-30E. The water pump sealing flange for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.